Here's how to fix if Face ID is disabled or not available on your iPhone. Now you might get a message like this: a problem was detected with a true depth camera, Face ID has been disabled. Several things we can do definitely get that fixed. The first one is at the top here. This is where your Face ID is detected. So get a cloth, clean that top area, maybe remove the screen protector. If that doesn't work, just tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode and enter in the passcode for your phone. If you scroll down and you see an option for Reset Face ID, just tap on that to reset everything. And now after you've done that, let's do a force restart on your phone. To do it, press the volume up, press the volume down, and press and hold the side button. So I'll show you how it works. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that side button. Just keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. We're just gonna wait until your entire iPhone screen goes black, and just keep holding until you see the Apple logo appear. When you see the Apple logo appear, just like that, you can release your fingers and you've done a force restart fixing Face ID. I hope this helps. If you wouldn't mind, take a second and leave a comment down below with your feedback. Let me know, did this help you, or do you still have issues with your phone? It helps me understand whether this video was spot on with your problem.